Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and my good name is Nancy Otieno. And if you're new here, you are highly welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, I do appreciate your support so much. And guys, don't forget to click the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be notified. Okay guys, without wasting time, let us go straight to the video.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up.
So guys, we are in the village, and we are going to the river to bathe. As you can see, we have banana leaves. We are going to spread them down, and we bathe, guys. So let us go. So guys, this is it's not a river actually. It's like a small river, I don't know, but people are always fetching water here, and we came to bathe here. We are in the village, guys. Oh, we are in the village and we want to bathe. So guys, let us bathe. Guys, on today's video, we are in the village, as you can see. Maybe show them. We are in the village, guys, as you can see. We are in the village. Okay, we are in the village, guys, and we want to bathe. We want to show you when we are bathing, raw and uncut. So stay tuned and watch full video, okay? Enjoy the video. So guys, I'm carrying this banana leaf. I'm going to spread it down when I'm bathing, guys. I want to show you how we bathe in Africa. Real and uncut. Come with me, guys. Come with me. Let us go. Okay, guys. So I spread this one down here where I'm going to bathe, guys. This is how we do it here in Africa, guys. Okay. So let us go and bring water. 1, 2, 3. So guys, we are going to bathe. Yeah. So guys, because so guys, we want to make raw and uncut. Guys, stay tuned. Watch full video. Let me dry my hair. Dry my hair. So guys, stay tuned. Watch full video. I want to show you how we are bathing here in Africa. Okay. Okay. This is the bathing net here. I'm using this one. Feeling good. I'm really feeling good, guys. I'm really feeling good, guys. This is how we bathe here in Africa, guys.
Kidibe wo wilo.
after I'm done. So guys, I'm finished and I just want to wear my So guys, I've just finished the thing, so I want to wear my dress. I'm feeling fresh, guys. I'm fresh. We are going
to apply a jelly. Apply jelly.
So let us go, guys. Let us go.
Kalamak ni mandi dua gemak.
Let us go. Lima aku pun. Dah.
video appreciate, don't forget to click that notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be notified. Okay guys, thank you so much. Let us catch up on my next video and I say bye.